Hi everyone! Today I'm going to guide you through a 10-minute Qigong routine for complete beginners. The exercises are easy to do and will leave you feeling energized yet relaxed at the same time. If you like my videos on YouTube, remember to join my membership site. You can grow your practice with longer sessions, in-depth courses, and weekly live classes. You can also watch all the popular YouTube videos advertising free. You can find more information below. Let's begin. Stand up nice and straight, with your feet firm on the ground. Soften your knees and relax your lower back. Take a moment to lengthen through your spine and relax your neck and shoulders. We begin with a few deep breaths to settle in and ground ourselves. Breathe in as your hands go up. Breathe out as your hands flow down. Breathing in through the nose and out the mouth. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep your breath slow and smooth and your body relaxed. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Next, a few exercises for the neck. Look up as you inhale, then down as you exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. Keep the movement slow and find a way to link it to your breath. Then turn side to side. Return to center. Tilt your head to lengthen through the side of the neck. Return to center. Next is the shoulder rotation. Make your hands into loose fists. Give it a good range of motion. Rotate your shoulders to the back. If you experience any pain or discomfort, or you hear any noises, slow the movement down and lessen your effort. Change the direction to go forward. Open your hands and relax your arms. Then extend horizontally and rotate your shoulders, palms facing up. Then twist to rotate the opposite way. Continue to move slowly and steadily. Checking in with your shoulders, keep them nice and relaxed. Feel the rotation in all three joints in your arms. Remember to breathe normally and stay relaxed. One more time. Relax your hands by the side. From here, bring your attention to your lower back. Simply rest your hands there. Step forward and open your chest to the sky. Look up. Move to the back and stretch the back of the legs. Continue the movement. Inhale as you look up. Exhale down. This movement provides a gentle massage to the muscles of the back. Lessen your effort and simply enjoy a pleasant stretch at the front of your chest and the lower back. Then change legs and continue the movement. Breathing in as you look up, breathe out as you look down. One more time. Very good. Bring your feet parallel. Feel free to keep your hands on the lower back, palms down. We're going to rotate the hips and the lower back. Keep the movement slow and steady. Your feet are firm on the ground. And feel how your entire hip joints and the lower back rotating. If you're new to Qigong or any flexibility exercises, feel free to limit your range and slowly build up. It's better that you feel comfortable and enjoy the movement than forcing or straining. Change the direction. Slow down the movement and return to center. Brush your hands down. Next are the hip openers. Get yourself stable on one leg and circle the other to open the groin and the hip joint. Feel free to grab a chair for more stability. Change the direction. Put your foot down and change legs. Open to the side first. The key here is to keep your lower back nice and relaxed and get grounded through your other leg. Also, never lock your knees. The other leg, the knee is slightly bent. Change the direction. Relax. Take a moment here to relax the muscles of the legs. And put the big toe on the ground and rotate your ankle. Pay attention to the movement. You're trying to rotate your ankle as if you're drawing a circle with your heel. A few times the other way. Change legs and repeat. A few times the other way. And relax. Gently shake off your legs. Rub your hands together. Next, go ahead and lift your hands up to about shoulder height. Open and stretch in the opposite directions. Then turn your palms up. Go all the way to the top. Press out as you come up on your toes, lengthening through your spine. Release the position and relax your whole body. Go ahead and repeat. Be mindful here to keep your shoulders nice and relaxed. Go all the way to the top. Press out as if your hands are being lifted towards the sky. Release gently and allow your body to relax fully. We're going to do 4 more repetitions. Take a moment to pay attention to all the sensations inside your body. Notice how you feel as you come up on your toes and stretch upwards. Notice what changes as you relax your whole body down. Breathe normally, always inhaling, always exhaling. Repeat 2 more times. Take your time to really open your body, open the joints, and let the energy flow. Release the position as you soften your entire body. To finish, we're going to take a couple of deep breaths again, breathing in and out the nose. Inhale through the sides, exhale down the center as you soften and relax deeply. Inhale as the hands go up. Exhale as you guide your breath and awareness through the center of your body and down to your feet. Breathe in, gathering the energy around you. Breathe out, let it flow down, washing all over your body. Repeat 4 times. One more time. Breathe in and out, guiding your hands to the lower abdomen. Place both hands on your belly and take a moment to concentrate on yourself. Then slowly open your eyes, bring your feet together, and finish your practice. Thank you very much for joining me. I hope you feel nice and energized. If you like my videos, subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the rest of your day and see you soon.